to do a video on area of a circle, and I'm going to try to do it a little bit quicker than my circumference video because that was too long. So I have a circle with a radius of 2, and just to recap what area is, it's the space an object covers. So if you want to imagine this is like a dinner plate on top of a table, how much of the table is covered by the plate? Well, it's this section here, this area here. So right now I have a radius of 2, and we're going to find out, we'll say 2 centimeters. These are about, oh, it's a little bit bigger than a centimeter. Well, maybe not. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So area equals pi times 2 squared. And I'm going to tell you, whenever you do a formula or an equation with a formula, always start with the formula. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this on your calculator. Well, your calculator has a pi button, but then you're going to do times 2, and then there's a little x squared button there. If you don't use the x squared button, you can always use this little caret key right here, and that will be used when we're doing other things. Well, and then you press enter, and I get 12.56. But before I go there, I'm going to put in area really equals 4 pi centimeters squared, and your units are squared units, all right? So 4 pi centimeters squared, and your calculator says 12.57, and that's an approximate value. So the area is approximately 12.57 centimeters squared. So this is an exact value in terms of pi, and this is an approximate value. By the way, this is an irrational number. This is irrational, 4 pi, and this is rational. So I just wanted to throw that in there real quick. I was using a program called GeoGebra, and here I'm going to find out, I want to know, I'm going to do one other thing. So I want to find out what's my radius. The area of this circle is 18.43 centimeters squared, right? Approximately 18.43 centimeters squared. So if I start with the circle, and I know the area, well, area equals 18.43 centimeters squared. How do I find the radius? Well, what I would do is A equals pi r squared. Once again, I already know what the area is, so I'm just going to write down 18.43 equals pi times r squared. Well, our goal is to find the radius. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find what is our radius. So I'm going to divide. I want to get r by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by pi. And when I do that, I get 18.43 divided by pi, and that gives me 5.86645 1202. All right, 5.8664512 equals r squared. And you might be saying, whoa, Mr. Moore, what on earth is going on with that big number? And I'm going to say, don't even worry about it, because here's the nice thing about it. Since it's r squared, I need the same number to multiply by itself to get that. So what you can do is you can actually take the square root of both numbers. When you take the square root of r squared, you just get r. So what I'm going to do is, here's my x squared button right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say second, and I'm going to press that, and I'm going to do second and the negative sign, and that gives me the answer. And when I do that, I get a value of 2.42 approximately. So 2.42 centimeters. Do that. So now let's see if I'm correct. I want to know, is my value 2.42 centimeters? Oh, goodness me. Let's see. You know what I should do? How about this? I'll just say 2.42 Now I have this. Let's see if I can move it on over. Oh, goodness me, I can't move it over. All right, let's try this one more time. 2.42, and hopefully it works. Ah, it does work. Perfect. So that's how you can use your area formula in 2 different ways. That's it.